Hello and welcome back to Six Perspectives. This week, as you may or may not know, is summer week. Let's get right into it. So I would be doing this outside, but here is the main reason I'm not. What a great summer, huh? What a great summer. That video clip is a sample of what it's been like for the past weeks. I mean, I've been off school now for 3 weeks, and I'd say at least 16 or 17 out of the 21 days, it's been raining. Now, it rains and then it gets sunny, and you think, oh, okay, let's go to the pool, and then you go to the pool and then it thunderstorms. So it's been like that forever. So, you know, for about 2 hours or an hour a day, it's like sunny and perfect weather, but don't let that fool you, because as soon as that perfect weather's done, it thunderstorms on you. So instead of showing you the wave pool and the beaches and the sand and all that stuff, instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the fun things you can do during summer that's all inside. Enjoy. Cook with your mom. Go on a slip and slide in the rain with your friends. Sleep. Read a book. Watch TV. Watch a movie. Write a book. Take another nap. Paint a picture. Make a sculpture. Draw,